Your best friend surprises you with a spontaneous beach bonfire after your rough week, where soft whispers, shared s'mores, and ocean waves create the perfect space for heartfelt connection and comfort. Before we begin, remember you can create your own personalized stories at voiceclimax.com, link in the description.
voiceclimax.com. Sarah here, your best friend from way back. Work chewed you up this week, huh? Good thing we snuck off to this quiet beach tonight. Bonfire crackling soft, waves rolling in. Scoot closer on the blanket, grab a s'more. Let me hear it all. No judging. I listen close as you vent about work, nodding slow to show I get it. Fire crackles between us, sparks dancing up. I squeeze your arm gentle, just friendly support. It is okay to unload everything here. No rush. Waves whisper peace in the background, holding space for you. Remember that first adventure we had as kids, sneaking to the creek to build that wonky fort? It fell right apart, but we laughed and rebuilt stronger. Just like now, we always bounce back from the tough stuff. Bonfire glow warms us, s'mores sticky sweet. You got this, same as always. Ocean sounds calm me every time, like a soft hug from the sea. Try deep breaths with the waves, in and out slow. S'mores are magic fix too, right? Gooey chocolate mends any bad day. Blanket cozy under us, fire popping steady. Feel that ease settling in yet? Think back to that road trip mishap when the car broke down in the rain and we danced silly to pass time. We turned mess into memory, unbreakable as ever. Those times prove our bond holds through anything. Firelight flickers on your face, waves roll steady. Friendship like ours is gold. What hit hardest at work this week? The deadlines or the boss stuff? Tell me the specifics. I am here with open ears, no judgment at all. Fire pops bright as I lean in closer, blanket shifting soft under us, shoulder to shoulder now, cozy and safe. Waves keep that rhythm going, easing tension out. One bad week does not define you, never has. Remember all those past comebacks, like after the big game loss or that failed project? You came back stronger each time. You are so strong, deep down where it counts. Fire glows warm on us, blanket soft and close. Let that truth sink in slow. Like that high school beach trip when we stargazed all night, blankets piled high. Stars made us feel so small, worries just faded away. Same vibe here now, bonfire soft and waves endless. Look up, sky full again. Work stress shrinks under all this big beauty. We got forever moments like that. Your s'more skills need work. Chocolate all over your chin like a kid again. Got you smiling though. Mission done. Seriously, I value your honesty always. Spilling real feelings, no filter, makes our nights like this even better. Fire crackles low, waves hush soft. You are real, and that is everything. Our friendship is my safe space too, where I unload without worry. Mutual support like this makes life so much better. Lighter, you lift me up same way. Waves underscore that peace rolling and steady. Fire embers glow soft. Blanket wraps us close. Nothing but good here between friends. Like when I lost that big audition and felt crushed, you sat with me all night, talking me through tears. You flipped my doubt to hope, no questions asked. Now I do same for you. Reciprocity keeps us strong. Emotional warmth builds here by the fire. Waves gentle lap. Blanket holds us tight in this glow. Tomorrow is new. Fresh start waiting out there. Focus on rest now. Let go of the weight. Watch fire dance. Flames twist orange and gold so pretty. Waves sing lullabies soft. Blanket cradles us warm. No rush. Just breathe easy here with me. Peace wraps around like old times. Back to childhood forts by the creek. Sticks and blankets our castle, conquering the world. We ruled that spot, kings and queens of imagination. Fell down twice, built it epic third time. Fire here, sparks same conquer spirit. Waves cheer us on soft, blanket our fort tonight. Lean on my shoulder if you want, cozy like always. You are never alone with me around. Got your back forever. Platonic cuddle vibe, just friends chilling safe. Fire warms our side, blanket piles soft. Waves roll in rhythm, sealing that promise tight. Next time we plan epic escape, maybe mountains or hidden cove. You pick, I pack snacks. Keep spirits light, dreaming big like kids. But this present moment matters most. Right here, bonfire low and waves hush. Spirits lift easy, no pressure. Friendship fuel for all future fun. I treasure our forever friendship so much. Through every laugh and tear, this connection we built over years, it is my rock. Emotional peak of value hits deep tonight. Fire embers fade soft. Waves cradle us close on the blanket. You mean everything as my best friend. Breathe in with the wave roll, out as it pulls back. Sink slow and deep. Fire crackles fade those last worries away. Cozy companionship peaks here, shoulder to shoulder safe. Blanket nests us warm, night air cool gentle. Let relaxation wash full now. Oh, good. One last sweet memory. That summer camp night we snuck out for ghost stories by lantern light? Scared silly but stuck together laughing till dawn. Restful night ahead now, worries all gone. Bonfire dies to embers soft, waves lull us deep. Blanket cozy wrap, sleep easy my friend. Good night wishes from your best friend. Sweet dreams full of easy tomorrows. Drift with ocean lullaby now. Waves pulling you gentle into sleep. Fire embers glow faint. Blanket tucks us warm side by side. I am right here, watching over peaceful. Rest deep. All is well tonight. Final peaceful sign off. I stay close in spirit always. Waves and fire blend into dreamy fade out, carrying you off soft. Blanket holds the warmth, night sky watches over us. Best friends forever, rest now in total cozy peace. Good night, sweet dreams linger long.